Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on OUKITEL C33. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. And now click open, and here you can skip this introduction, and now click open permissions and find this AI assistant on the list and click here to allow to display over other apps, and then click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can tell him to do something. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.